Hi, it's Phoenix Genesis. We're desensitizing my dog to leaf blowers. We already went past one. You ready to go, Razor? 12-week-old Husky. Come on, let's go. Okay, I'm just gonna walk nice, right past Mr. Leaf Blower. There he is. Walk right past him. Come on. There we go. Right past Mr. Leaf Blower. Great job. Great job. See? This is very good. Thank you. Gracias. See, very good. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, you want to smell what he's blowing. Let's keep going. He doesn't even blink an eye now. Just, that's what you want with your dog. Calm. Absolute calm. Look at this. Fantastic. So we went past 2 leaf blowers this morning. And they usually come at certain areas in your neighborhood, certain times. So this is really, really good. You know, you can start out just having them pet your gardener, get to know the gardeners a little bit without the leaf blower being turned on. We did it then at a distance with our gardeners, and now I should be able to walk down the street. Oh, there's so many scrounging. Come on. I should be able to walk down the street with Razor and not any sound should not bother him. We did this with the construction workers when they were doing construction out here, and we had to meet the crane operator, and he watched the crane, and none of the construction bothered him at all. He didn't blink an eye. So he's doing a great job now. And happy Yom Kippur, everybody. Fasting. I've done it for so many years, it doesn't even bother me. The hardest part is not having water. After about 24 hours, first 24 hours don't bother me at all. Last 24 hours, not 24 hours, the last, anything after 24 hours is just absolutely horrific not having water. And the problem with the dogs, Steve has been taking them out. I think they already did 2.5 miles, but still, I have to have exercise too. So, and Steve goes to work, so we're doing another quick half mile here. So anyway, let's see how good he is. He's going through a point now at 12 weeks where he's teething a little bit, and he wants to pull sometimes on the leash, especially when I'm walking with Jake. So I try to have, one walk where it's just he and I'm just kind of working with him. But you see, he's doing an absolute great job here. He's just walking along nicely. And so we got him at 6 weeks, so he's been walking 6 weeks now. So yes, he's like, no cigarette butt. He's, been going now 6 weeks, hundreds of walks. So he's got the walking leash down pat, which I'm very proud of. Anyway, that's it. You want to say bye-bye, Razor? Say bye-bye, bye-bye. Look how big and beautiful you are. Okay, guys, talk to you later.